I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say, and I trying so I heard you on my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. You ask me why I cut my hair and changed myself completely. I don't know my name. I don't